Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to give a review on Glassdoor. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to your glassdoor.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. If you do not have one, you can always go and register to Glassdoor. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how to Glassdoor videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Glassdoor application where we have a lot of different options. So basically here we have the community where you can go and put posts. So in the top left corner, you can see the post. You can also go and search for trending for you and click for other people. We have jobs where you can go and see some jobs that you can go and get for you. So you can find your perfect job by clicking here and putting the location here. We have companies where you can find a workplace that works for you. So this is a new feature. If you have an employer in mind, you can search for a company here and click just the search button. Then we have the salaries where you can see you paid fairly. You can find out here. So you can put your job title and your location and search for that if your salary is good. Now guys, let's see how to give a review on Glassdoor. So first of all, you need to sign into your Glassdoor account, then click on the companies tab. When you do that, you can select write a review, search for the company you write a review for. On the company profile page, click plus add review, then complete all required fields and then click continue. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.